Hi, this is Chef Pachi. Here I am with a compilation of legume videos. I usually prepare them 1 or 2 pounds at a time in a big pressure cooker, and then I can use them for many recipes like you're going to see right now. The most important part is that we must always wash and hydrate our legumes. I usually hydrate them for about 6 hours or more. When we cook these in a pressure cooker, you just have to leave about half an inch of water on top of the beans. It's not like when you cook them in a big pot that all of that water evaporates. So here we go. With our hydrated red beans, we add the water, a couple of carrots, and on top, some vegetables that we're going to blend afterwards. So we remove the vegetables and the carrots, blend them with some of the liquid from the beans, and voila, we have perfect red beans. You can use them for beans with rice. You can make soup with these. You can make chili con carne, all sorts of ingredients. Now black beans, same thing, hydrated. Only 3 ingredients: cilantro, red onion, and a little bit of garlic. Close it, cook it. 20 minutes later, you have amazing black beans. I usually serve them with some yogurt and a little bit of cumin. If you want to add cumin, you can add it at the beginning. Cantellini beans, same thing, 3 ingredients: some oregano leaves, some garlic, and a white onion. We cook them, and at the end, I add some olive oil to cannellini beans. You can also serve them with rice and yogurt if you want, or sour cream. They are delicious, but the olive oil I always add at the end. Chickpeas. Oh, I love chickpeas because I eat them in many snacks and I even eat them with rice. 3 ingredients too: some garlic, red onion, and 2 bay leaves, and some olive oil. You can add that olive oil at the end too. 20 minutes later, we're ready to go to eat them, process them, freeze them, or do whatever you want to so that you don't have to go through the whole process again and again every week. Bean and legume salads. I make them all the time. So I leave some servings on the side, but you can also do them with canned or jarred beans. You should wash them first, and then we add all the flavors like these that have a little bit of pesto and orange juice, and it's delicious. Or adding some spicy red hot peppers too. That's optional, but it goes super well. Some hot chili oil and any of the other ingredients you like. It just gives these beans a fresh flavor, and you eat them at room temperature or fresh or cold. The second black beans I'm going to serve are with cilantro, a little bit of green hot peppers, and some lime juice. That's it. Same thing, refrigerate them if you want to, no problem. Last but not least is some pico de gallo. You can make all sorts of these snack salads for the day and snacks with all of the beans. The recipes are all in my channel. Here we go with some orange juice, black beans, pico de gallo, and chipotle peppers. Enjoy all of these delicious salads, and keep out the spicy peppers if you don't want. You can also add bell peppers or pimentos. They all go great together. There are recipes for these snacks and salads with other legumes on the channel. If you don't find razor leaf, you can use cilantro. Razor leaf is a kind of cilantro that we get in South America, and it's also called culantro, and you might not get it. So just use cilantro or any other like spicy Latin American herb. mung beans. We're gonna make mung beans and brown rice. And this, I even freeze it already done and completed. And I like to spice it up and give it delicious flavor. So I add some green onions, I add some curry powder, I add some turmeric, I add some garlic, and all of these fresh, amazing natural ingredients full of nutrients and flavor. So here we go, same thing, put them all together, including the ginger, by the way, and just cook it all at once, no problem. 20 minutes later, you have an amazing meal all in one, which can also be frozen into servings like you're gonna see in my other video of the rice. I hope you can hear the birds. I'm next to the ocean. Here we go. We have a delicious sauce on them. Homemade lentils. Lentils, the way I make them, are amazing. Add all these vegetables, green onions, tomatoes, bell pepper, carrots, cilantro, and cook them in there. Then you can just blend them or mix them, and you will have the most amazing and flavorful lentils. By the way, I do not cook legumes with salt at the beginning because then they don't cook very well. So if you want to add salt, you can add at the end. But taste them first because all of these delicious ingredients require a lot less salt. With the lentils, we also make lentil wrap with some brown rice, some red sauce, avocado, some peanut ají. You can add the different sauces you want, but the recipes are in the complete videos. I add some spinach to make that lettuce a little stronger in nutrients, and a little bit of dark sesame oil, wrap it, and I love this wrap. It's delicious and you can eat it any time of the day. Also, my lentil sandwich, which I make with some chipotle sauce that I made, and we add some pico de gallo. That chipotle sauce is super easy to make. It's basically plain yogurt, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and chipotle peppers. And the video is also in your list. Check it out. Beautiful lentil sandwich. If you don't want those lentils to fall all over the place, you can just turn the leaves all around them so they don't fall. You could also process the mix of the lentils before you add the other ingredients. Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. Enjoy! Chef Pachi.